Hi everyone, this is Peter with Wave One Marine, and today we're looking at our flush mount LED navigation light set. Unlike other poor quality imitations, we've designed our light with a full stainless body that's mirror polished. It looks absolutely beautiful and is a great upgrade for your boat. Our IP67 rated LEDs are completely sealed and will last in tough marine conditions. Unlike others that use cheap copper wire, we use the finest marine grade tinned wire. All wiring is also heat shrink through the chase point where it's going to go through your hull to avoid abrasion, which is a key component of designing a high quality product. Look for the Wave One Marine Authentic hologram on the back to assure the quality of each of our products. Unlike others that don't even give you a gasket or some cheap foam gasket that falls apart after a few months, we use a thick rubber marine grade gasket as well as all stainless hardware that's included, so you can easily install this light and upgrade your boat. Most importantly, unlike the other poor quality imitations, we're based right here in the United States. We have great customer service and a no hassle warranty if needed. We test these products day in and day out in tough ocean marine conditions, and they are designed to last. You simply can't find a better stainless flush mount LED navigation light for the price. Thanks so much.